The next thing we'll do to work on a little bit of back mobility and hip mobility is a frog leg stretch. We'll be on your back. You're going to put your feet together and let your knees fall out to the side. I have pretty tight hips, and I feel a lot right on my adductor tendons right here, kind of those inner thigh groin tendons, okay? But what you're going to do is just let those knees fall apart. Keep it pain-free. If it hurts too bad, being all the way out, bring them in or use your hands to support a little bit. But let them fall out and practice the breathing. Breathe out. Keep that tension, breathe in. Keep the tension, breathe in. Just go through this for about 2 minutes. Keep the tension. Keep that tension, breathe in. As I do this, I can slowly feel my hips, that tension is getting less and less. I don't feel it as much in those hips. They're not really getting much looser, but I don't feel that big stretchy pain anymore. You can always kind of squeeze your glutes to kind of bring them down a little bit further too if you feel like that's a good stretch. And then just keep breathing here for 2 minutes.